So, how many rounds we going? Ooh, 3 rounds. Crowd, this is gonna be dope. Are you ready for it? I'm gonna make the DJ stop the music. Crowd, are you ready for this? Stop the music, DJ. No. Crowd. All right, maybe if I say it in a different language, will it help? I don't know. You been to a beta, man? I just spoke Chinese and the first word I heard was C. Alright. DJ, spin it. 3 rounds of fury. Dance and dance to my left. So rock. Starting it out. Cool, y'all. Let's get that clap. So clap. Clap. Come on. I can make you feel, baby, 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 baby. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got dance today. Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Uh-oh. Baby, baby. Watch the hips. Where the hips at? That to me? 10 seconds. 5. Woo! Round 2. So rock. Alright, hey DJ, crank that track up. Crank it up. Task rock on the 1s and 2s. Woo! So rock. He said, I got him too, baby. Ten seconds. Skin 30. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Dance to Dave on the floor. You got one more solo rock. He's like, oh, this is easy. Look, just keep going. She's loving the hips. Oh! 10 seconds. He said you can add another 7. Last one for Soul Rock. Uh-oh. songs, we're gonna take a second to let the speakers rest because it died, or I guess hopefully it just fainted. Okay, I think it just fainted. The speakers didn't die. Once again, make some noise for that battle, y'all. That was. I want to shout out.